This Labor Day, many moms banding together to improve what some are calling a crisis for pregnant women.
A group is planning rallies in 170 cities worldwide, including several right here in Central Florida tomorrow. They're calling attention to maternal health care. Fox 35's Kimberly Wiggins sat down with the local organizers.
We call childbirth the miracle of life, but many are now saying the process of giving birth needs to be reborn itself. Just ask Central Florida native Brandy Harrison.
I went in and actually had an induction. I did end up having a vaginal birth, but I also had lots of interventions along the way.
She made sure she wouldn't have to repeat that process. Her second child was born at home in a birthing pool. Lisa Basham had a similar experience.
I was told that cesarean was the only option I had, and I just went with it.
The local mother of two says she had her first daughter through a C-section and was told she couldn't have a vaginal birth for her second child. She did her research and had a home delivery with her youngest.
This really isn't about me. This is, about the fact that 1 in 3 births in our nation are surgical deliveries, and also the fact that 9 out of 10 of those women will go on to have repeat cesareans.
Both moms paired up with doula Michelle Isla and birth photographer Laura Vale to organize the second Rally to Improve Birth in Altamont Springs.
The first thing is that they should know that we spend the most money in healthcare, specifically in maternity healthcare, than any other country. Yet we have the lowest, the worst outcomes of any developed country.
Organizers are calling for less medical intervention. According to the group Improving Birth, Florida's C-section rate is nearly 33%, more than double the highest recommended rate. Organizers say it's a sign moms, dads, and even those without children like Vale need to speak up.
I haven't had children yet, but I feel like every woman needs to be informed of her options in childbirth before she gets pregnant. That way she can have the best knowledge and the most information going into it so she can avoid negative experiences before they even happen.
In Orlando, Kimberly Wiggins, Fox 35 News.
3 local rallies will take place tomorrow at 10 a.m. The ladies here are organizing the one in Altamont Springs. There'll be a second rally in Ocala, a third in Melbourne. Log on to rallyimprovebirth.com if you want more information.